Welcome to my channel, where every turn of the wheel could decide your fate. From insane maneuvers to instant karma crashes, you're about to witness it all. Rise to fame through road rage? Trust me, nobody wants that.
Look at this crazy man. Look at this shit. Whoa. Whoa. Let's pull over, dude. That's crazy. This motherfucker, man.
Head southeast.
This guy was in a hurry to get somewhere. Now he's not getting anywhere.
Brought in, were they brought in? Was that through you?
No, I don't know fully.
Red lights are just a decorative suggestion, right? Apparently, the other car disagreed. The most unexpected police pursuit ever. This time, the truck won. This tanker truck was trying out a new dance move. Unfortunately, it tripped.
In the hood, but I must leave. Born way in the hills where I can't see. Swear I burned 20M 2018. Like I played for the Bills going no deep. Niggas finna get rich.
Yo. Oh.
The GPS said turn right, but it didn't specify in the air. He just wanted to show everyone his shiny undercarriage. A bit of an over-the-top way to do it. That's the town's hottest delivery service. Your package arrives with a side of fireworks.
Jesus.
Welcome to real-life bowling, and that's a strike. Looks like somebody had an equating explosive morning. The cake delivery was in a rush. It met a large, blue, immovable object. That was an unscheduled dance-off. The white car's final spin was spectacular. I think that car is planning to confront a love rival.
This is ridiculous. It's snowing all things together, and it maintains the visibility down to 0. And oh, watch out, watch out! Oh, God! Shit! Damn! My car is gone! I'm gonna need all my shit out of my car, but it's too dangerous! And it's triple fire! This shit! Oh, look at that! I need to get the fuck off the road! Damn!
Welcome to the Winter Festival of Bumper Cars. Everyone's invited. They are already close, even though it's their first meeting. Perhaps this is a new way of greeting. He wanted to make some cool smoke. And he did, right into the other car's bumper. That truck driver is having a really hot day at work. When you're in a hurry, the road finds a way to make you stay a little longer. At least the grass looks soft. The car seems to prefer rolling rather than driving. The taxi driver should handle situations more decisively. That's definitely not the landing procedure they teach in flight school. When your wife gives you 5 minutes to go to the supermarket to buy cooking oil. That was a surprise hug from the steering wheel. It really loves its owner.